स्ट्रेटेजिक पार्टनर में से एक है।
With various educational institutions in Meghalaya charging exorbitant fees, Education Minister Rakkam A. Sangma said the government has sought comparative data related to the fee structure as charged by various private educational institutes. Despite the state government support, there are complaints against private and semi-government education institutions in the state for charging exorbitant fees.
Certain students or organization and the civil societies has also met me and a price, and we have asked for comparative data from all the colleges. But however, I want to tell to many of the colleges, government has helping them. So they are not purely private college. They are maximum, they are government aided college in the deficit pattern. So, in the last 2 years, knowing of all the challenges, Meghalaya Government Education Department has sanctioned 509 plus posts of lecturer to 20 new colleges.